Hi, I'm Dale Marcel. I'm Global Product Manager with Oregon Products, and with me is...
Hi, I'm Sarah, and I'm the Global Marketing Manager for Oregon Products.
Today we want to address some frequently asked questions pertaining not just to Gator Speedload, but to all trimmer heads in general. So Sarah, lead us off.
So one of the frequently asked questions that we see posted online is about the adapters and what some of the acronyms mean. Along with Gator Speedload comes adapters that will help you fix the actual trimmer head to your trimmer. So they're each labeled with an acronym. The first one we want to talk about is RHM. Dale, what does that stand for?
All right. RHM stands for right-handed male. Now that does not me. I am right-handed and I'm a male, but that does not apply to me. But that applies to adapters. Oregon adapters are honestly anatomically correct. So when we're talking about a male adapter, it is this end of the adapter and it means it is right-hand thread. Right-hand thread means it turns clockwise to tighten and it turns counterclockwise to loosen.
So what does LHF mean?
Okay, LHF would be left-hand female. Are you left-handed, Sarah?
I am not. I'm right-handed.
You are not, okay. So that's not what it refers to. It refers to this inner part of the thread is a left-hand thread. It's the female portion and it is left-hand thread, which means you turn it counterclockwise to tighten and clockwise to loosen.
Okay, and what is LHM?
LHM would be left-hand male. Left-hand male would be what we've been talking about. It is the male portion of the adapter, and it is a left-hand thread. And left-hand thread, again, is counterclockwise to tighten and clockwise to loosen.
Okay, and finally, RHF.
I think that might be you, Sarah.
Right-handed female.
Right-handed female. Again, that's not what it means, but a good guess on your part. So female is the internal thread, female thread, and it is right hand to tighten, and it is left hand to loosen.
So Dale, when would you use a right-hand female thread?
That's a great question. Right-hand female thread, different brands of trimmers will use, they determine whether it's right, whether it is female or male thread. So there's really no control over that. Most trimmer manufacturers use a female adapter to adapt. Shindayo is the one that I can think of right off the top of my head that on the majority of their trimmers, they use a male adapter is required. But that's specific to the brand. On the threads, one good rule to work from is straight shafts generally use a left-hand thread. So any straight or most straight shaft trimmers will use a left-hand thread, and most curved shaft trimmers will use a right-hand thread. And that's the main difference. There are a few exceptions to that, but that is a good general rule to follow. Okay, Sarah, are there any other frequently asked questions?
I do have one, Dale, that I hear a lot is, we've mentioned over and over that these Gator Speedload heads are for most gas trimmers. Why are those not available for electric trimmers?
Okay, most electric trimmers initially were corded trimmers, which means they plug into an outlet, so they're 120 volt. And most of them use a very small diameter trimmer head, very lightweight, and since they're mounting to an electric motor, they have a very specific type of mount. Currently, we have a lot of cordless units out there, but the same type of things apply. They're lighter weight, the mounting mechanisms are different. So right now we don't recommend Gator Speedload to be used on anything other than gasoline powered units. That may change in the future, but for now, let's limit the usage of them to gasoline only.
If you do have more questions, feel free to post them online and follow our pages on social media and go to OregonProducts.com for more information.
Thank you for joining us.
Thank you.